MacPhail, we're a private family-owned business established in 1895, and we have a number of different elements to our business. We have a shop in the centre of Elgin where the business started. We own Benromwick Distillery in Forres, which we bought in 1993. And then for over 100 years we've been buying casks of whisky from lots of different distilleries, bottling those whiskies, and we offer over 360 different expressions of malt whisky. And then within the UK as well, we also wholesale over 4,000 different products, wines and spirits, to the licensed trade, which is the element that we looked at for the voice picking system for that project. The main driver really for bringing in a voice picking system in our business was looking at excellence of service. And then with that, we were looking at efficiency, capacity. If the business grows, how do we handle that effectively? And also visibility of what's going through the business just now and what advantages could we get in place of our previous paper-based system. We looked at different voice systems. We did site visits to a mixture of different businesses around the UK to learn and understand what are the pitfalls, what are the advantages. The flexibility that came with the BCP system was good. Accord WMS was a big plus for us. We also considered BCP as a company. Is this the kind of company we would want to deal with? You know, was the culture right? Did they understand us? Did we understand them? Could we forge a good working relationship? And obviously the answer to those questions was yes. With the implementation of Accord, I did a lot of planning and preparation beforehand, and then go live day came. We had some challenges on that day, but working with BCP and the guys who were on site, we managed to iron those out and get the system up and operational as quickly as we can. Main benefits we've realised with Accord is really an improvement in productivity significantly. A 50% increase in number of cases picked per person and a 43% increase in the number of lines per person. Accuracy as well, accuracy of picking, which we had a very good record previously, but with the Accord system we get full visibility of exactly when was an order picked, who picked it. So again, if we have a handful of picking errors occurring, but we can identify exactly why they happened and go back, retrain and try and minimise that happening in the future. Simplification of the administration behind the scenes, reporting of all the orders that have left the business so we can invoice promptly. One element is we saved £2,000 a year in paper costs alone. Our previous paper-based picking system, we'd had it in place for quite some time. Quite a few exceptions have been brought in to when specific orders were handled, specific workarounds and so on were noted. What the voice system did was made us actually challenge all those exceptions and see, are they actually valid, are they relevant, and how do we get more efficient, and use the structure that comes in with the Accord voice system to help us streamline our processes, work more effectively and ultimately deliver a better service. At MacPhail, we supply a range of different products to a range of different customers across the UK in our wholesale operation. That could be one bottle of wine to a pub on the High Street of Elgin. It could be a pallet of one product to a national distribution centre for a multiple. Or it could be a pallet of 250 different items, cases and bottles, to a specialist wine spirit wholesaler. So we needed a system that had enough flexibility that could accommodate that. So we have over 4,000 products. We sell all those products in either full cases or loose bottles, and any combination of the above. So quite a complex offering, and with the Accord system we found it had that functionality that would allow us to do that and give us the visibility, the efficiencies and deliver quality of service. With regard to staffing and user acceptance, with the Go Live we deliberately tried to give a lot of information out to the team to inform them as to what the system was, how did it work. We had the system in a test mode previously, which was really beneficial to get people on board. For temporary staff or any new staff, we found the system's very good as well, because we can bring people in, a bit of coaching initially, get their voice template set up, and then set them loose to pick orders. And again, with the visibility, we can find out, are they picking the system up correctly, what's their work rate, what's the accuracy. So it's definitely beneficial there. With staff as well, ask for feedback as to how is the system working. Continually ongoing now, we're looking at how do we refine the system, how do we take on more of the functionality, how do we utilise our investment. The acid test question was asked staff recently, if the voice system switched off, would you like to go back to paper? And it was a categoric no from everyone, so I think acceptance is very high. The Accord WMS system is a significant investment for us as a business. We wanted to embrace technology, wanted to bring in efficiencies to our operations, all contributing to delivering excellence of service, and I think the Accord WMS system has definitely delivered that platform for the future.